cruising around at the Tint shop, Hard Park today, and check out this little demon that we found. Now, I'm not a big fan of Hondas, but I am a fan of 800 horsepower. Let's have a yarn with the owner and see what he reckons. So we're here with Corey. Corey, why don't you tell us a little bit about this car?
Hey man, so this is my 91 EG6 Civic. It's a 2.1 litre B series running Darden sleeves. It's got a Garrett GDX 35 82R turbo, running 34 psi boost. And
Sorry, mate, say that again. How much boost?
34 psi.
How does this thing still go?
Well, it's only got 2,600 Ks on the engine, but
and what horsepower is it making?
814.
Just when I thought I wanted a race. What's it weigh?
840 kilos.
So you're matching horsepower with
Yeah,
weight?
almost 1-to-1. Yeah, almost. It's all stripped out and stuff, and got rid of as much as I could. No power steering, no aircon, windy windows, and yeah, it's pretty rough to drive, but goes pretty good.
Perfect. Thanks, mate. It looks awesome.
No worries, thank you.
Josh. Alright, we're here with Josh, and he's just won Best Drift Style Street. Josh, tell us about this car.
So basically it's a S13 with a S15 front conversion. Pretty basic setup, just SR20 dead. Just like it's a gearbox, makes about 270 kilowatt at the wheels. Yeah.
It's the go, and still keep it on the street?
It's recently getting a bit extreme for the street. You know, the camera is hard to get away with, but
Does it have a original warrant?
it's got original WAF, yeah. At the moment.
Okay, yeah, we'll give you that then.
Yeah.
Oh, well done, bro. The car looks cool. Have a good day, eh?
Yeah, thank you very much.